At HomePoint Financial, we use SafeboxIQ to manage the loan submission process securely while providing efficient, on-time closings. To ensure top-flight security and accuracy of submitted information, SafeboxIQ uses the latest in encryption to help guarantee platform-wide safety. In addition, all links provided to external users are encrypted and configured to expire after a predefined period. Additionally, SafeboxIQ uses Amazon's Simple Email Service, or SES, to send out emails. The service has been configured to sign outgoing email messages to make sure that emails received by our clients are verifiable. Those without verification are dropped or marked as spam. And at HomePoint, our back-office security is just as stringent. Production staff applications are assessed and used through private virtual desktops that contain custom applications to process the documents that SafeboxIQ receives. It's just another way that HomePoint demonstrates how we use the latest technology to keep our customers secure. It's all a mouse click away. Learn more about working with HomePoint Financial and how using SafeboxIQ can help you grow your business with your HomePoint loan officer today.